Hello, good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
हर्षल सर.
हा बोला ना.
हा आता मला द्या ना तुम्ही. ओके करा.
झालं ना, सुरू करा ना सर.
ओके, बाकीच्यांना म्यूट करा.
अरे माले भी म्यूट नको करतो रे भाऊ.
Okay. So, welcome all the participants. All are admitted or some are entering. I am audible. Should I
Yes,
start?
yes. You can continue, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So I acknowledge the heartily welcome to all the participants of the one-day webinar on environment and health and COVID-19. So in this situation, we all the academicians are that whenever we or anybody getting a phone call or whenever we want to get phone calls, so that time also we listen the word that is COVID-19. And similarly, the newspapers as well as TV channels and wherever you discuss with your friends, family members, whatever. So the discussion is limited to, or the main point of the discussion is COVID-19 or Corona, we say. So not only India, but all over the world, this problem is means facing by all the businessmen or academician or industrialists, hotels, and everybody. Everybody who is surviving is facing this.
हे केलेलं आहे, ते हेडफोन लावले ना, त्यामुळे त्यांचा प्रॉब्लेम येतोय. आधी आवाज येत होता त्यांचा. हो. एक मिनिट. हो करतो.
DB Patil. DB Patil. Hello. Am I audible? Hello. Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
you are audible, sir.
Uh,
Anjane, sir.
shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Deepak. Good morning to all of you, respected dignitaries and all dear participants. Warm welcome in today's webinar on environment. Dear friends,
ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
hello. 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 Am I audible? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Shall I start? Hello. 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 Shall I start?
अरे यार, ते सर बोलताय ना, ते त्याला बोला तर खरं. हा, करा करा.
Dear friends, whole world is suffering from unimaginable crisis. Even those countries which are competing to get first position and being a powerful nation in the world, these countries are also helpless in this crisis of COVID-19. Since last many years, scientists, ecologists, geologists, and social welfare institutions have been doing tremendous efforts to save the planet Earth. But these efforts are useless because human beings are different from animals. Animals always follow the rules what they had allotted by nature or God. But human never thought about nature and environment. Human always try to overcome the nature. Human always avoid the blessings of nature and creates superiority, luxury, machines, etc. But all these things are nowadays helpless. COVID-19 teaches human being the power of nature. Sometimes God wants to reset or format the software of universe. Everything has changed since last 4 months. All rivers are purified. Clean air in the vicinity. Birds and animals are also living worldwide life. Before 4 months ago, animals and birds were caged and humans were outside. But the picture has changed now. Humans are caged and birds, animals are out. Yet we don't know the origin of virus, whether it is artificial or natural. But good or bad, Corona teaches a lot of things to us. Marriages of 4K and 5K crowd converted into 50 people. Humans buy only what is needed. Celebrations, crowded programs are completely stopped. Unwanted expenditures have stopped from last 4 months. Human mentality has changed. He is thinking life is full of uncertainties. Now human realizing the circumstances. People have more than 500 friends on Facebook, but no one can help you. There is no limit for the merits and demerits of COVID-19. To prevent from COVID-19 and to overcome the fear of COVID-19, our eminent speakers, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Das Mohapatra from Raiganj, West Bengal, and Dr. R.K. Narkhede from Udgir, Latur, will guide us in this webinar. Sir, our Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Arts and Science College, Ainpur, has successfully completed 27 years and also reaccredited by NAC with B grade in April 2019. Our management, Ainpur Parisar Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, always encourages us to organize such programs. Chemistry and Geography departments of our college have taken efforts to organize this webinar. I congratulate the faculty members of these departments. I am happy to tell you that more than 1700 participants have registered for this webinar. I assure you all that you will be enjoy the webinar throughout the session, and at the end, you will be leaving with great smile and bag full of knowledge about environment, health, and COVID-19. With the support of our college staff, I wish a grand success to this national webinar. Thanks to all. Over to Dr. Deepak. Dr. Deepak.
दीपक सर ते हेडफोन काढा सर.
Dr. Nehte sir. Over to Dr. Nehte. Hello, Dr. Nehte sir. Hello, Doctor.
दीपक सर, ते हेडफोनची वायर काढा आणि डायरेक्ट बोला ना तुम्ही. तुम्ही नाही ना, तुमचा आवाजच येत नाही, तुम्ही अनम्यूट आहे. हा हा हा, बोला. नेते सर, जयत नेते सर. दीपक सर.
Hello, Dr. Vaishnav. Please start.
अरे यार, अरे बोला ना रे यार तिथं रे. सारखं अजब बोल. नाही ना. तुम्ही बोला ना, तुमचा आवाज येतोय. थांबा जरा. बोला ना तुम्ही. तुम्ही अनम्यूट आहे सर.
अरे माझा आवाज पण येत आहे तिकडे. मोबाईल मधून येतोय फक्त.
1 मिनिट थांबा.
कुठं बोलतोय बा.
हा, वैष्णव सर. वैष्णव सर. सतीश सर.
Hello. Hello, Professor Harshal.
हा सर, यू कॅन कंटिन्यू सर.
Hello.
Slide can be shown as discussed by the Patil earlier.
Wait sir, I can call the Jayant Nete sir.
Okay, but you try to regulate the slide, please. Okay. So I can start now. It
Okay,
will
sir.
better. So, may I audible?
Yes sir.
Honorable Principal of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Arts and Science College and Booth, Dr. J.P. Anjan, the organizing committee of this national webinar, Environment, Health and COVID-19, Dr. R.V. Bole, and all the dignitaries as well as eminent persons, those who have attending the seminar, the organizing committee members, including D.B. Patil, and participants, my dear students and ladies and gentlemen. Really, as Principal Sir said, we are facing a very critical situation by the outbreak of COVID-19. It is a viral outbreak. Before going to discussing the COVID-19 and other environmental impact, I just want to remember all the participants. The 1918 influenza pandemic was the most severe pandemic in recent history, and it was caused by an H1N1 virus. It is estimated that about 500 million people of one third of the world population became infected with this virus. The number of deaths was estimated to be at least 50 million worldwide. So how much serious things it was. And at that time, we had to depend upon the non-pharmaceutical interventions like isolation, quarantine, good personal hygiene, use of disinfectant, and the limitation of public gathering. Today, also we are doing that because we have no such type of vaccines in a ready forms, no viral molecules to prevent the virus or antiviral molecules. So now also we are seriously dealing with the non-pharmaceutical interventions. So virus is a microorganisms. So before going to deal with the COVID-19, we have to know something about the microorganisms which are always present in the environment. So we can say that it is an ubiquitous occurrence. Ubiquitous occurrence means whose presence always detected in everywhere. So in this seminar, where we are discussing about the environment, health, and COVID-19, very much thankful to the principal as well as the organizing committee to organizing such type of seminar in COVID-19 outbreak. In these circumstances, I have selected the topic significance of microbiological knowledge and awareness in 21st century with special reference to COVID-19. Next slide, please. In this seminar, we have to just describe the microbiology first. That is a subject began with the discovery of microorganism in 1674 by Antony van Leeuwenhoek using a microscope of his own design. As already I told, microorganisms live everywhere like biosphere, hot springs, soil, atmosphere, earth crust, and also in the vacuums. Next slide, please. The scientists, including the Antony van Leeuwenhoek, we have to also consider the contributions of Lazarus Flalenjeni, Louis Pasteur, and Robert Koch. Next. Robert Koch showed that microorganisms cause disease in 1876. Just you see, life, next, just you see, if we think about the life as we know, it would not exist without microorganisms. The importance of microbiology is much more. We have to affect human health. RNA. Sense of RNA.